From last night?
Yeah. I gotta undo yesterday to do today. Yup.
Feeling excited, Juan Carlos?
Yeah, I'm excited.
So where are we going, Naked?
So we're gonna go hit Guitar Center or a DJ shop, get some fog juice, and then we're gonna go pick up the U-Haul, strap it on the truck, and then come back and load up. Juan Carlos is a good friend, old friend. Wilmer, you probably know that we hung out as DJs, groups of DJs in high school. Disco Kid, Billy, what the fuck? Back in the day, DJ Lovesick, and a few of us, we all partied together in Compton. Did a lot of Compton parties, and Juan Carlos is a big part of all of that back in the day. In case y'all didn't know.
No history. So remind me why we're listening to classical music?
Cause I don't know. Yeah, so you know, I've been trying to do YouTube for a while, but from the point of view of an underground DJ, you know, someone who has a different point of view on the matter. A lot of the YouTubers that are DJs, they're more like regular DJs, wedding DJs, industry DJs, and they don't really have experience in like underground shows or like different types of music, you know. So I want to bring that different aspect to it. So you know, with Wilmer's help, you know, some better shooting, better filming, more consistency, we can make that happen. I'm pretty sure.
So where are we at right now?
Support your local businesses, my guys.
Where's the flyer?
We're getting fog juice from the fucking fog juice store.
Yeah?
Hell yeah. Salud. We're looking to get fog juice. Hey, check out Juan Carlos fit. Looking fly. Alright, now we're gonna try to get into the truck after I somehow lock the keys in there. So I think the rear hatch might be open. We might let this one unlock. Yo! Can you unlock us, good sir? Oh, Wilmer, you didn't even lock your door.
My fault. Talk to me about your lunch right now.
This is a Smucker's Uncrustable peanut butter and grape jelly sandwich soft bread. Yesterday I had a peanut butter and jelly for breakfast, and I think I want to repeat this time at work. Just because it's familiar.
Yeah, bro. So a lot of the times, people hire DJs all the time, you know, and they think that they're paying one price and that's just for the skills of DJing, but they don't really take into account that you got to put gas in your vehicle, you've got to have a vehicle, you got to, you know, mileage on the car, you know, transportation costs. Like today we're gonna rent a U-Haul, and you know, maintenance on the speakers and on the cables, and so much things can go wrong. And so that price is really small, you know, compared to like what the client is getting at the end of the day. On top of the fact that we're doing our best to entertain, right? To provide like a good experience for everyone involved, making people dance, all these things. So, you know, it's something to take into account for everyone out there who's hiring DJs.
So where are we?
Getting one of these bad boys installed on the hitch, so we can carry all the gear tonight. It's gonna be Quite the spectacle driving around with that thing.
Hang on. Stop. Back up a little. The wood, bro. Just get that out of their way. Alright, let's do this again.
Yeah, the other day I learned that if you have a trailer connected to your vehicle, you would think that driving on the street would be safer at low speeds, but that's not the case. It's better to get on the highway because it's smoother. The streets are all fucked up and there's traffic and you gotta deal with one-way streets and people driving all retarded. So it's definitely better to get on the highway and just take it easy. Hey, stop wiggling, fool! Woo! And all these speakers are like half the weight of a regular speaker. And it's still a mission. But these have neodymium magnets. These neodymium magnets are like maybe like 1/10 the weight of a regular magnet.
Juan Carlos is being Superman right now.
It's a snuggle. Fit for me, thank you. Give me a true Mexican. Powered by frijoles.
Powered by Republic.
We're headed to the warehouse now. We just got the word that we got until 9 p.m. to load in. So we're gonna take it nice and slow because the truck is kind of heavy right now. But we got the trailer going, and thankfully with these guys' help, we got it all loaded up pretty quickly. So we'll see how it goes when we get there. Alright, bros, we're here. It's time to get started, my guy.
Before we pull. How you feeling, Juan?
I'm feeling exhilarated with all this weight and measure. I gotta play Tetris now instead of this DJ host.
Insert all these clips in order to get it safe for, you know, party goers. Otherwise, if something like this collapses, you know, it could be problematic. So we have to make sure everything's safe. Security pins go everywhere.
Talk about a little bit about the safety of the speakers.
Yeah, this is part of the safety. Having to tie the speakers down. Otherwise, vibrations will cause them to come off the subs. So to avoid that, we strap everything down. You know, it seems like work, but we'd be lying if we said we weren't having fun doing all this, you know? It's we get to really exercise our minds, execute everything we've been thinking about, setting up, building the system, you know, for years. That's not going nowhere. Check that out. Check out the strobes. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so we're done with the lights. We're gonna move on to the sound now. So, JC, you can help me run cables for all the amplifiers to all the speakers.
Straight to the bag, I'm trying to make it hot.
Talk about the night.
Just chill, bro. Fucking rocking. Went until 4 a.m. Breakdown time. Yeah, bros. Fucking done for the night. Fucking fat ass bass. Fucking dope ass lasers and lights, bro. That shit was epic. It was pounding the whole night. Just that shit was amazing. But fucking, you know, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to see more shit like this. You know, DJing from the underground LA perspective. Peace.